The KSU Umsning Circles football tournament reached the semi-final stage with a match between Benris FC and Sumer FC. The teams will meet again for the second leg of the competition. Mr. Ransom Sutunga, co-chairman of MIDC, attended the match as the chief guest. Other prominent figures from Umsning were also present to encourage players. Mr. Jade Siemli was named the best player of the day after an outstanding performance. The match received great attention from the local community and football enthusiasts.
Season mentak lapunya dekat KSU ni ladonro katong banong yo drops kata kadai kabat jong kaseng nagaling ka jong kali kapon kadap daga jingkmen banyo ya ka response jong kipat ba kibadon sa negatan kamtam ban don bertalang bat kaseng kabat don gani ka kam kababha ban kentiu ya ka sports na bata kisamla kiri kijongi kibadon sa negatan kejongi.
And now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in